Hi, this is Joette with ballooncoach.com, and today I want to show you around the new look of the member dashboard and the new resources that are available for you 24/7. It's a $297 value for just $97 a month to access over $5,000 of online training that has been put together with balloon professionals and business professionals since September of 2015. So let's get started. When you go to ballooncoach.com, you click on Member Dashboard to log in. And when you get there, you will see the Thrive Guide for that week for you to print off and help you schedule out your week to put the top priorities in your schedule to make sure you do what you need to do to grow your business. As you go down on your member area, if you ever see this lockbox, that lockbox means that your current payment did not go through, and you just need to go into your account and update your credit card and then pay the current outstanding invoice to then have access to your training material. If you ever need help in making a payment or changing a credit card or have questions, you simply email contact@ballooncoach.com and a member of our team will assist you. So if you see all your boxes open, then you just quickly click on download this week's Thrive Guide to be able to set up your goals and action steps for the week. As you look at our Balloon Boss Mastermind calendar of events, we have 3 live webinars a month, so you can easily at a glance see what's coming up in the month that we're in, and then fast forward to the next month by pushing the arrow here. You then look down and you see the 3 main live classes we have every single month. We have the first Monday of the month with our Q&A webinar and work, where we talk about current things that are going on with our businesses. You can ask questions and we brainstorm together. That's the power of mastermind. No matter if you're brand new to the industry and never inflated a balloon, to veterans who've been in the industry for decades, we all brainstorm together our marketing plans, our team building, the issues that we need and how to do a newsletter, what type of accounting software to use. All of us talk together, answering questions and creating plans to take the next step in our business. And if you're not able to be on that live class, all you do is click on view the replays and you can go back and see the things that you miss. Our third Thursday of every month is our retail and marketing shop talk. Liz Romani, who is our marketing mentor, and myself, Joette Giardina, balloon coach, we get on with our members and we talk about what Liz is doing in her store in Vincennes, Indiana, to generate new business, keep her current clients happy, and everyone brainstorms and shares their marketing tips, whether they're in a storefront or home base, to take the next step and always moving forward in your marketing. And you can always get your link right here to access the live webinar. And then you can go back and view the replays of anything you've missed. Our fourth Tuesday webinars were a part of our Passport to Success program since September of 2015. So when you go to view that replay, you will have a listing of all the different types of trainings that are there, from accounting, pricing, and bookkeeping, balloon tips and tricks, business development, working with car dealerships and how to decide if you should have a retail shop or not, confetti, marketing, organization and planning, personal development, photography, sales and service, and social media online presence. So to give you a tour for the balloon tips and trick, when you hit that download, it shows you all of the balloon classes that we had specifically on our fourth Tuesday webinars. So you can learn about how to sell and market and create pop drops. You can use the information on how to enhance your balloon designs with ribbon and florals from Cody Williams. You can learn how to create pool decor and outdoor balloon decor with confidence from Jonathan Gerber, how to do outdoor decor and track your money by Chris Potts. The dynamic duo of balloons by Tommy shared information on elegance of balloons and how to do balloon drops for New Year's Eve. Then let's go down to social media and online presence, because in 2021, that is one of the top things that you need to do in your balloon business, is make sure that your SEO is on point for people to find you, as more people are shopping online than ever. So Brandon Turpin of Balloon Suite has shared information on how to do SEO. So when you want to go visit that lesson, you go on and you will see the videos and the notes from that course. What's really cool is Brandon also serves as a mentor in our Facebook group. So he actually went the month before the webinar and put in 3 short videos that show you how to do geotagging for your images, how to understand how the search engines work, and then you have the full webinar where you can go in and follow his tips to improve the SEO on your website. And then right here where it says notes, website technical lesson, you download those notes and follow the information that's there to take the next step in growing your business. As you go through the course, you click complete so you'll be able to know where you are in the program. When you're in our member dashboard, this information sometimes can feel a little overwhelming because there's so much information there. It's honestly over $5,000 of training if you had been purchasing it individually over the years since 2015. So what you can do is, in addition to accessing your training here, you can go into our Balloon Boss Mastermind member area and ask questions like, hey, Joette, I'm looking for the pricing guide. Where do I find those at? And then myself or another member of our team or another member of our group will tell you to go to the editable pricing guides in the member area. So you go to member dashboard, log in at Balloon Coach, and then access the course right here for the editable pricing guides. The editable pricing guides are made in PowerPoint and they are exactly what they say, editable. So you can go to the common decor guide and bring it down onto your computer, upload it, and then hit edit PowerPoint. And now you can take this beautiful template created by Liz Romani, and you can use all the different breakout designs from organics to classic decor. And you can change the colors of them if you want, or leave this just like it is. And all you have to do is change out the logo and change out the website. Look over the pricing, and this is what she charges in Vincennes, Indiana. And if your pricing is higher or lower, all you have to do is go in and edit out that price and make it your own. This allows you to quote your clients quickly and not have to waste your time going back and forth with price shoppers. What our members are loving about this part of our program is that it is all of the decor guides for the primary holidays of the year and the main reasons people celebrate. So we even have like girl birthday unicorn theme, and then our Valentine's PowerPoint. We have New Year's, we have Christmas, we have Halloween. And each month, as you remember, a new guide comes out. And sometimes it is a mix of images from people's actual jobs and the different graphics. So this alone is worth your $97 a month, but it is a bonus of being in the program. We also now have a marketing calendar under marketing plans that you can get a marketing calendar for the year to help you plan out your marketing strategy. Rather than just being reactive, you can be proactive. And then our tech tips from Brandon to help you take those next steps in growing your business. As we go through this program, we find that the value increases every single day because we are learning and growing from each other. So I encourage you today, if you have been looking at taking the next step in growing your business, no matter if you're brand new or if you've been in the industry for decades and you just need a pick-me-up, I encourage you to go to ballooncoach.com and watch this video right here. This is Tabitha Miller, and she shares her story of how she was ready to quit her balloon business back in May of 2020. And through the Balloon Boss Mastermind Program, she has now had greater success and feels the support of our mentors and the members of the group to keep moving forward, and was able to then purchase a van, and she'll tell you more about her story right there. So I encourage you to check out ballooncoach.com today, and then to get joined right now in our Balloon Boss Mastermind, click start today. And for just $97 a month, you can have access to all of this information. What will happen is, if you decide this is not the right fit for you, you email us a week in advance of when your next payment is due to cancel your subscription. Then you'll no longer have access to the information when your subscription ends, and you'll no longer have access to our group coaching in our private group area. But you will have taken that information that you learned and you can put it to work in your business. If you love the information, then you can continue with us for as long as you like. We have many members that have been with us since the start. So I'm Joette with ballooncoach.com. And if you have any other questions about our program and what the right fit is for you, please send me an email, joette@ballooncoach.com. The other thing I want to let you know is we do have our yearly summit the beginning of November every year in Orlando. For 2021, we have 18 incredible mentors and instructors. Check out that details here. Our mastermind program that we just spoke about, our Balloon Boss Pro courses for those people who prefer just a self-study and not have any interaction with me or our mastermind folks. And then we also have our downloadables, which are information on how to work with foils outdoors, how to do an adjustable frame that I've created, how to make a couple of different things like our gingerbread house that we can use for Candyland themes, for realtors, and obviously at Christmas for gingerbread house. One of our most popular is my download for a hot air balloon. And then our Chase Bank, working with those magic arch foils outside in my adjustable frames. I look forward to helping you take the next step in your business. Do one thing today that your future self will thank you for.